So I was harvesting this mullein. Was putting it on the silver trays, and I found this chrysalis, and we believe that this is a Monarch Chrysalis. So obviously I don't want to mess with that. So I'm gonna go put that underneath the dense mullein. I honestly feel like it probably wants some milkweed, but I believe I have some milkweed over there. So I've got some common milkweed back here in the back that's doing pretty good. And so if it is a butterfly larvae, it's gonna need some food when it wakes up. And so you'll see right here, this is common milkweed. I don't grow common in the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of give them some shelter here. I am not a believer in habitating monarchs in your house or anything like that. I really believe that the best thing for insects is to give them a home outside where they love. So now my hope is he's gonna wake up and he's gonna have this whole common milkweed plant to eat, and then hopefully he gets the heck out of Dodge, because I need him to go migrate. Go to Mexico, my friend. Get to Mexico, get you some cervezas. So yeah, I think he's doing okay. I'll check up on him. Hopefully he's got a little bit of shelter on there. I mean, ideally I'd have him up a little bit, but I feel like he's got enough of a shelter from the wind. He'll come out, he'll get up on this common, and he'll have a feast.